Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to enable the dark appearance on Google Chat on your PC, following the latest update. If you've ever wanted to give your workspace a sleek, modern look while also reducing eye strain, then this feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. You'll need to be signed in with your Google account to continue. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo, and right next to it, there's a small icon made up of 9 dots arranged in a square. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots to open it. From the list of Google services that appear, scroll through and find the one labeled Chat. Click on it to open Google Chat in your browser. If you haven't used Chat before, it may take a moment to load your messages and chats, so just give it a few seconds. Once Google Chat is open, move your eyes again to the top right corner. Find the small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on that gear icon, and a settings panel will appear on your screen. Within this panel, look for the section labeled Appearance. This is where you can customize the overall look and theme of Google Chat. Click on Appearance, and you'll see a few different options for how you want your interface to look. Among these options, you'll find Dark. Select Dark to switch your Google Chat to the dark appearance. As soon as you make this selection, the interface will instantly update, changing the background and message colors to darker tones that are much easier on your eyes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark appearance on Google Chat on your PC. This small change can make working late or chatting with your team much more comfortable, especially in low-light environments. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same settings and choose the light or system default option. Now you're ready to enjoy a stylish, dark-themed Google Chat that looks great and feels better on your eyes.